Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you will be fine. I am Muhammad Arham Naveed and today I am here for presenting a new video with new topic in English for other countries like US, UK, Canada and Australia, etc. Today our topic is about difference between adult and young Australian parrots. Okay viewers, first of all I request you that please subscribe my channel and like video if you really like, and watch complete video for best knowledge about the age of Australian parrots, whether your parrots are adult or young. Okay guys, the topic of my video is what is difference between adult and young parrots. Okay, there is 5 tips which can identify whether these parrots are adult or young. The first tip is about eyes ring of parrots. If the eyes are clearly show white circle around the black eye, or you can say a white ring around the black eye which you are seeing in the picture. If the ring white is clear, you can say that it's a adult parrot. On the other hand, if the eye's white ring is light or no ring in eyes, it's clearly identify the young Australian parrot. Okay viewers, when you are going to buy the Australian parrot, you must keep in mind the white ring in eyes, because the white ring in eyes is clearly identification of adult parrot. Okay, now second tip about the adult and young Australian parrot. This tip belongs to bar lines of the head which you can see in the picture. If the bar lines are not shown in the head of Australian parrot, it's mean it's an adult parrot because its bar lines are erased with the passage of time. But if the borderlines are clearly shown in head of parrots, it's mean the parrot is not adult. It's young parrot, not mature, which you can see clearly difference in picture. Now the third tip is about nose or cere color of the Australian parrot. An adult Australian parrot must have clear color of cere whether it's male or female. Blue nose identify to male while the white nose identify to female. So if the nose is clear, it means your parrot is adult. But on the other side, if the nose color is pinkish, not clear color, whether it's male or female, it means you can say that it's a young Australian parrot which you can see in the picture. The fourth tip is about the black dots in the throat of the Australian parrots, which you can see clearly in the picture. If the dots are clear, dark and more, then you must understand that it's an adult parrot. While if the dots are not clear or the dots are the light or less, it's mean these parrots are not adults, these parrots are young. The fifth tip is about the black spots or dots in the beak of Australian parrots. If an Australian parrot has no dot or spot in the beak, you must understand that it's an adult parrot. But on the other hand, if an Australian parrot has black spots or dots in beak, you clearly identify that it's young Australian parrot, not an adult parrot. Okay viewers, these are all the tips which you can clearly identify that your parrots are adult or young. So must watch and listen complete video. It will deliver a clearly and best knowledge for identify the difference between the adult and the young Australian parrot. And all the pictures you will see in the screen. Viewers, if you like this video, then must click the like button and subscribe my channel, and also remember me in your prayers. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.